Your Arcade1Up Pac-Man PCB is broken due to knocked resistors, but we're fixing it right now. This video gives you the exact workaround to repair broken hardware errors on your board and get back to gaming fast. First, power down your machine and carefully open the control panel to locate the PCB. Visually inspect all resistors for any that are knocked or detached. This initial check is crucial for identifying the exact failure point. If your visual inspection confirms damaged resistors, we move to method 2. This involves careful desoldering. Heat the affected pads, gently remove the damaged component, then clean the area thoroughly with solder wick and isopropyl alcohol. Cleaning prevents future shorts and ensures a perfect new connection. Now for method 3, soldering new resistors. Position the new component, apply flux, and solder one pad, then the other, ensuring strong, clean joints. This precise work restores electrical pathways. Finally, method 4, testing and reassembly. Perform continuity checks on your new solder work, then power on the Arcade1Up. Monitor for any errors, test game functionality, and secure the PCB before closing the panel. You've successfully brought your Pac-Man machine back to life.